Now, let's learn about acquiring our fixed assets, how to get the depreciation for those assets, and what happens when we dispose them. After creating your assets, using the Luca chat method we covered in part 1 of this tutorial, or the bulk import method we explored in part 2 of this tutorial, you can purchase assets by selecting existing created items. Now, let's go ahead and acquire a fixed asset, a desktop monitor from Techline Computers Limited. The depreciation parameters appear after you click the item you want to purchase, and you can review them to confirm whether they're correct. Then we will choose the acquisition date along with the depreciation start date for this purchase. So Luca automatically registers the asset and calculates its depreciation. We can ask Luca to do this in the chat menu too. If the depreciation parameters are incorrect, you can correct them by selecting the item, clicking the Edit button, updating the parameters, and saving your changes. Luca automatically calculates the depreciation of a purchased asset and registers it in the Depreciation tab, so you can view it as the value changes over time. Now, let's walk through how to record asset disposal. Asset disposal can be either full or partial. In this example, we will dispose of all units of the Dell monitor to be sold for 2,000 Hong Kong dollars. Luca automatically posts the disposal and depreciation entries, and the asset's depreciation stops immediately. Next, let's explore how to use the Luca chat box for this asset flow. To begin, we'll create an asset by asking Luca to add a delivery van. Luca will then prompt you to double-check your input before posting it to the books. If the input is correct, respond with a simple prompt such as proceed. Otherwise, you can modify or cancel it using a simple prompt. Next, we will record the purchase of 3 delivery vans from SK Autos at $10,000 each. Luca will then request more information about the asset to help calculate its depreciation value automatically. Once again, Luca will ask us to review our input before posting it to the books. We'll reply with proceed. Now that we've recorded the asset purchase and entered its depreciation values and dates, we can view the asset details by selecting the asset under the Depreciation tab. From here, there are 2 ways of disposing the asset. One is by sending a prompt to Luca using the asset ID, or by clicking the Dispose button under the Depreciation tab. In this example, we'll instruct Luca to dispose of the item using its asset ID. Luca will then ask you important questions about the asset you want to dispose of, and will prompt you to confirm whether it should proceed. Make better decisions with your smartest AI teammate.